Have you ever wondered where comets come from and what they're made of? Well, let's dive right in. These heavenly bodies, known as comets, originate from the distant regions of our solar system, specifically the Oort cloud and the Kuiper belt. These regions are like cosmic storage units, housing these icy wanderers until they're drawn into the inner solar system by the gravitational tug of the planet. Comets are a fascinating mix of elements. They're primarily composed of water ice, but they're not just frosty orbs. They also contain rocky materials, frozen gases, and intriguingly organic compounds. Now, as a comet approaches the sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, forming an illuminated tail that can stretch for millions of miles. So these dirty snowballs, as some scientists like to call them, are more than just a beautiful spectacle in the night sky. They're a link to the very origins of our solar system. But did you know that the tail of a comet always points away from the sun, no matter which direction the comet is moving? Quite fascinating, isn't it? This is all thanks to a cosmic phenomenon known as solar wind. This stream of charged particles, which the sun constantly emits, pushes against the comet's tail, causing it to always point in the opposite direction of the sun. But the tail is more than just a celestial spectacle, it's a treasure trove of information. The tail contains minuscule particles from the comet itself, which can tell us about the comet's composition. By studying these particles, we can learn about the conditions that existed in the solar system when the comet formed. This might have been billions of years ago, possibly even around the time when our very own planet was taking shape. So in a way, we're looking at a time capsule from the early days of the solar system. It's as if these celestial bodies are sending us messages from the distant past, waiting for us to decipher them. And what about the theory that a comet impact led to the extinction of the dinosaurs? This is a hypothesis that has been fiercely debated among scientists, and it's one that continues to intrigue us. The story goes that about 65 million years ago, a comet the size of a mountain crashed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact was so colossal that it left a crater over 100 miles wide. But what's even more fascinating is the evidence left behind in the wake of this catastrophic event. In the layers of sediment dating back to the time of the extinction, scientists have found an abundance of iridium, an element that's rare on Earth but common in comets. This discovery lends credence to the theory that a comet may indeed have been responsible for the demise of the dinosaurs. Whether or not a comet was the culprit, one thing is certain. These icy messengers from the outer reaches of our solar system have had a profound impact on our planet and continue to fascinate us with their beauty and mystery.